Site123 complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create our website for free. So here we are on site123.com, and let's click on start here. Only one button on the home page, so let's click. And what type of website do you want? We need to choose what would you like to create: website, online store, blog, or landing page. In this video we are going to create a website. So then we need to discover our category: business, handmade services, restaurant and food, photography, events, technology and web, and so on. So let's choose business. As for me, I think it's pretty good. Add your business website name. Let it be the name of our channel, Helperman, and go to the final step where we need to sign up. So I'm going to sign up with Google, but we can also do it with Facebook or register our account on site123.com. So let's choose sign up with Google, and we'll choose one of our Gmail account. It may take a little time, and after all we'll come to our edit page. We can view a small tutorial, but in this case we're going to close it. So here we are on our edit page. As you can see, in the right side there is editor send with our website. In the left side there is our menu, and in the top of the screen there is also some folders we can easily use. So we have 4 folders: pages, design, settings, and domain. On pages area we can manage all of our pages. As you can see, we have 4 pages: home, about, services, and contact. We can simply change the name if we need. We can change the palette if we want and do some other stuff. Change the style. As you can see, we can customize every single part here. As for me, this one is pretty good, so let it be like this, but there are a lot of options we can use. In this case I'm going to use the first one, but you can simply customize it how would you like to see it. Of course there is about, also about option we can customize, and so on. So in this case it's pretty cool because we can choose what is interesting as for us. Let it be this design, and of course there's services. Also we have some settings about them, so we can show on header, as you can see in this menu right up here, show on footer, hide page from users, hide from mobile, and so on. So simply we can do it like this. Also we can change the order of our pages here, and it changes in our footer right up here. So it's pretty cool, and this is a way of how can we deal with different pages. If we need to add one, we need to click on plus, and here there are a lot of templates in different categories. So let's try to add, for example, the portfolio area with our maybe jobs or our team even here. So let's click here, and I'm going to place it in the last part, so we can simply switch between them, and as you can see it looks like this. On the design area we can change the color of our website. We can change the wall style, and I think it's pretty cool. We can customize all the website on this folder, and as for me this is pretty cool. It changes wall parts, not single part here. We can also change the fonts. We can change the fonts group we are going to use on our website, and we can find something which is suitable as for us. I think this one is pretty good. Header here, we can change some header settings: show phone number, show email, location, address, and so on. Footer, of course, and the website structure, where we can change the structure of our website. So it may take a little bit, it may look a little bit different. For example, change the name, change the logo, and so on. On the settings area we can change the website name, website type, country locale, and so on. And on domain we can change the domain here. So basically we can just buy it and then just use these domains, or we can just use temporary domain provided by Site123. If you want to customize any single part of our website in the separately, we can simply click on it right up here and then just write what would you like to add. For example, that be the name of our channels, creative solutions, creative results. So this is a way of how can we deal with different stuff here. We can change every single part. We can add some images. For example, we can change it right up here. We can simply just replace it from this image to this image. Every single part here is customizable, so we can just simply click and then just use. Also, we can just simply click on settings, change the opacity, change something like this. So we can change the layouts. We can click on edit to change the background image here. So every single part here is customizable. Even if I didn't show something in this tutorial, you can try to find it by yourself. So as for me, it's pretty cool. It provides us the opportunity to use a lot of stock images available for free. So for example, this photo looks pretty good as for me, so let it be like this. Also, I'd like to change this image. I'm going to find something from the stock. Also, let it be like something modern, maybe this one. About area, we can write our text here. I'll do it a little bit later. And here we are on our services page. Also, everything is editable. We can change, by the way, the order of the sections by simply clicking on this button here, or we can duplicate the one more like service if you need to create it like this. Maybe it may look a little bit different, so we'll change something and view it like this. So in order to post our website, when everything is ready, we just simply need to click on publish in the right top corner right up here. So we can just click on publish, and then are you sure you want to publish? Yes, I want. And in a few seconds everything is done. Continue editing. Basically, as you can see, your change has been published successfully, and this is our domain, so we can easily use. Now it's available as for us, and I think it's pretty cool that we have the access like in only 6 or 7 minutes by creating it right up here. So basically, this is the way we can go to our dashboard. So by simply click on a logo in the left top corner and click on return to dashboard, where we can find all the information about our site here. So as you can see, we can find the name, the domain, the URL, the bandwidth, the storage, and also like suggested domain, of course, some other stuff. And they have like their paid plans. As you can see, they're pretty cheap, I think, like basic, advanced, professional, and gold, which is only $16 per month. And I think this is the cheapest plans from all the builder websites, different builder websites. So we can try it for free, and after that we can decide is it suitable for us to buy the paid plan. So we can get like free domain for 1 year, free domain for 1 year. Every plan provides us the opportunity to use these. As for me, professional is the most suitable, and this is like the most popular plan. So yeah, this is a way of how can we use Site123 to create our own website. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.